Hello everybody. So today I will talk about finance. The topic today is about the cost function, and the next one that is about the demand function. So now I will show you how to answer. About the cost function, we use the statement in here. The company has fixed cost of 477,000 and it costs 1,500 to produce each TV. This one that is about the cost function. So we have MQ plus BQ in here. That's about the number of the TVs. So M in this situation, that's about 1,500, because the question they said that they cost about 1,500 to produce in one TV. This is about variables in here. And that's why we have 1,500 and we put next to Q. This one that is about the fixed cost, so they don't change the value in here. So that's about B. So we put this number code here. And this is the answer for question number 1. Question number 2, they want to find the demand function. So the statement provide demand function that should be about the next one. The company projects that if it charges a price of 2,600 US dollars for the TV, it will be able to sell 750 TVs. Now, if they want to sell 800 TVs, they just use about 2,300. So we need to draw the diagram in here. So this is about the US dollars. This one is about TV. Now, at the cost 2,600, we sell only 750 TV in here. Now, with the price of 2,300, we can sell only 800 in here. So we just connect the point together. And later that we have the lines, they go through 2 points in here. So they want to find the formula of this line. To do about this one, we need to find about the slope. The slope that should be about delta y over delta x. So if we look on the graph, we see that we will have about y number 2 minus y number 1 over x number 2 minus x number 1. So y number 2 that should be about this one in here, and that's about 2,300. Y number 1 that's about 2,600, because this value of 800 in here they go first, later that they go second in here. So the next one we have 800. We minus about 750. So we calculate about this number in here. So we have negative number 6. Now after we have the slope, So we have m equal to negative number 6. Now we want to find about b in here. Let's say I want to choose the point 750 and 2600. So we have the function in here. We put negative number 6 in here. So the TV that's about 750 I will put in here. And the price of the demand I will put about 2600. So we can find the value of B. Now I will put this number go to the left. So we have 2600 plus number 6 multiplied by 750, and this is equals to 7100, and this is equals to B. And now we put 7100 go back in here. And here is the final answer we need to find in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.